Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this 20V Cordless Saber saw, the model PSSAP 20LI-D5 Parkside performance power tool with brushless motor, particularly long service due to less wear and tear. With no load stroke rate from 0 to 3000 SPM, stroke length 22mm, max cutting capacity 150mm in wood, 15mm in middle steel, 20mm in non-ferrous metal, 10mm in metal pipes. Accessories included, battery and charger are not included, recommended battery 4Ah 20V smart battery, ready to connect wireless control the power tool from the Parkside app, I will show you, and it is compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series. In comparison to the Parkside non-performance power tool, 20V Cordless Saber saw, this tool has 10 times longer motor life, 50% higher cutting performance in wood, with 2 high-quality Swiss-made saw blades. And with a 5 years warranty. Who gives 5 years warranty? Only Parkside. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Parkside Performance, red and black case. Included we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else at the box, only the tool and the 2 saw blades. And of course here you can install the charger, (8Ah performance battery, and you can install another one 8Ah here or 2Ah at the power tool. Everything very convenient, place it at the box. And there's the power tool. I like the feel, very comfortable. Soft grip, soft elements around the power tool, the on-off switch, the lock button. Press the lock button and then the on-off switch, otherwise it will not work. Both sides. Brushless, Parkside Performance, brushless. Connected indicator when the battery is connected at the power tool. I will show you later. Here it is the lever, unlock and adjust the foot plate. You can remove and lock. At the front we have the chuck, rotate, you can unlock and you can install one of the blades. We have a Parkside Performance clean wood saw blade and flexible metal. You can use it from 5 to 100mm length and the thickness from 0.7 to 3mm, and for the wood from 6 to 100mm the length. And of course, to use this power tool we need a battery. Parkside app, I will use the app, so I can use the 8Ah or the 4Ah, it is your choice what battery you want to use. 8Ah, it will give you more time to work, obviously. We can see the blue LED is flashing. Add tool, 4 ampere hours battery, and finish. 100% ready to use. And at the front, of course, we have the LED light, the LED working light. And we can see after a few seconds the power tool is connected with the battery. You can rename, operating mode, you can choose performance, expert, LED working light, you can disable or enable, off, on from the app, off again, now it's not working, on. And you can adjust the brightness, I like that. How cool is that? Fade out, 1 second to 99 seconds, nice. And you can check the overheat count, block count, overcurrent count, total tool operating time, battery settings, current temperature, you can lock the battery with a pin, discharge voltage, discharge current, overheat notification, you can enable, identify the battery, and it will flash for a few seconds the LEDs at the battery. Current charge, discharge current, working hours, charging cycles, discharge cycles, some informations. Expert mode, and on expert mode you can adjust the RPM. So let's test that. Wow, I just love it. It's so convenient to adjust the speed from your smartphone. No need for buttons. But who will bother to do that? That is the $1 million question. Please leave down below in the comments your thoughts about this feature, if it is convenient for you to adjust the speed for this tool from your smartphone. But I like it, you having this option. Of course, it will be more comfortable to have a switch at the power tool and adjust the speed. So that was all about the app and how you can use it with the power tool. And I have in this saber saw blades for precise cuts in wood and wood-based materials. And this one for precise cuts in hollow bricks, lightweight bricks, fiber cement and aerate concrete. Okay, aerate concrete. So I would like to test and this too with a cutting length 304 mm, carbide teeth, and the same 304 mm the cutting length, carbide teeth. So let's move on outdoors and test this saber saw. Perfect for home renovations, garden projects and general maintenance. Suited for construction and demolition tasks. Ideal for crafting projects involving wood or metal. Durable build, designed for heavy-duty application with reinforced housing. Shock-absorbing construction, reduce vibration for more smoother operation. Cuts through wooden planks, logs and beams with ease, ideal for cutting metal, pipes and profiles. And that's the Parkside Performance Cordless Saber Saw 20 volt with its robust 20 volt performance power, efficient brushless motor and tool-free blade change. It's the perfect tool for tackling your toughest cutting jobs. Whether you are working on demolition, pruning or precision cuts, this saber saw delivers power and precision every time. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tool reviews, DIY inspiration and hands-on demos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay sharp, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.